Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a presentation on sustainable development. First, understand its core. Sustainable development means meeting our current needs without harming the ability of future generations to meet theirs. It rests on three fundamental pillars: environmental protection, social equity, and economic viability. These three aspects are deeply interconnected, forming a holistic approach to ensuring a thriving planet and society for everyone, now and in the future. Next, let's structure your presentation effectively. Start with a powerful introduction that grabs attention and underscores why sustainable development is crucial. Then, dedicate distinct sections to each of the three pillars, providing clear examples for environmental, social, and economic aspects. Finally, wrap up with practical, actionable solutions and a strong call to action, empowering your audience to contribute positively to this vital global effort. To keep your audience engaged, leverage powerful visuals. Infographics, charts, and high-quality images can convey complex data and ideas much more effectively than text alone. Integrate compelling real-world case studies and inspiring success stories to illustrate how sustainable practices are making a tangible difference. Also, encourage participation by asking thought-provoking questions or including interactive elements to foster a dynamic and memorable experience for everyone. Finally, ensure your presentation leaves a lasting impact with clear key messages and a strong call to action. Distill your content into 1 to 3 main takeaways that your audience can easily remember. Offer concrete, achievable steps that individuals or organizations can implement immediately. Most importantly, inspire hope by showcasing the positive impacts of sustainable practices, demonstrating that collective efforts can indeed lead to a brighter, more sustainable future for all.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.